Okay, so we've just been talking about direct variation. We have our formula here, y equals kx. K is just the constant of variation. And then we gave the example, if you work at a job and you make $10 an hour, 10 would be your constant of variation. X would be the number of hours you work, and Y is your total pay. So in this first section on the worksheet, you just have to classify each of these as having direct variation or not. So here's basically how you can tell. Something is in direct variation if it looks like this. Y equals some number times x. Notice I'm not adding or subtracting anything else. So if I can manipulate the equation so that it looks like this, y equals some number times x, then I have direct variation. You'll notice they don't always use x's and y's. That's okay. So if I look at my first one, does it look like y equals kx? They just use different letters instead of x and y. Yeah, I have m equals some number times p. So I can say that m and p have direct variation. So yes, this is direct. Now, at first glance, you might think, okay, the numbers are all over the place because I don't even see a number 2. But apparently we jump right to number 5. Oh, okay. Oh, it's way down here. Oh, that's weird. Well, okay, we're going to ignore the numbering. So if we look at number 5, at first glance you think, no, that doesn't look like this. But couldn't I do something to this to make it look more like that? What can I do with that -4? How about I multiply both sides by -4? If I multiply both sides by -4, look at where I'm at. Those -4s are gone. So on one side I have E, and on the other side I have -4C. And couldn't I just move the equals E to the other side? So then I have E equals -4C. And now doesn't this look just like this? Just with different variables? So, is that direct? Yes, it is. So that's another one that's direct. So remember what I want? I want some variable equals a number times some other variable. At my angles. So if you look at 6, right? Okay, I'm using x's and y's again. So there's some way that I could manipulate this equation so that it looks like this one. Yeah. Now the problem is I'm not adding x to both sides. I can't subtract it. I could divide it. I could divide both sides by x. I can write that. So now I have y equals 5 divided by x. Well, this is quite this. Because remember this, y equals some number times x. This is y equals some number divided by x. Anything else you can think of I could try? I don't think there's nothing you can do. No matter what I do, I try multiple sides by x, but I write it to the original. I'm never going to be able to change this to that. So this one is not direct. It actually has another name that we'll learn at the end of the course. I'll tell you next. Don't wait too long. It's called inverse variation. We'll get to there in a couple months. So let's look at 7. Right now, it does not look like some variable equals number times some other variable. I could try doing what? Multiply both sides by t maybe? We could try it. multiples by t. So now I have tr equals 9. Okay, consider thoughts. Would I think? No, it's exactly a 6. Right? Aren't they almost the same thing? After together equals a number. That's gonna work out, man. This is not direct. How about 8? Direct or not? Or we do something to make it direct? Someone said it's direct. It is! A variable equals some number times the other variable. The number could be actually doesn't matter. It's already in the direct variation form. It's the constant variation in this case, just that. It's fine. Yeah, I want to go. Night. It doesn't look like right now. Maybe I can get it there. Why do you do 9? Multiples by 18. And then I get 18 equals I. I'm trying to make it look like y equals 6. We are just put equal on the side. Yes. Okay. So now you last 3. You try now. Let's get it here. Then what is constant variation? There has to be another to pay. Yeah, 4, right? That or ooh, 14. A little bit more turn up. It's there, but a little more. If you rewrote this, that was equal some number times what would that number be? Did you have one now? You're really close. Negative half, right? So couldn't rewrite this as equal negative half times x. And what's it say? Oh, yeah, negative 1 goes for the my in the case. And then if not, it's what's in it?